to the LIT Conferring. My name is Terry Toomey and I'll be your Master of Ceremonies for this afternoon. This conferring ceremony is streaming live on the internet, so you can get it from the LIT homepage. If there's anybody who couldn't make it today and they have access, they could watch it online if they wish to do so. So a quick text will get them on board as well. A couple of housekeeping items before we begin. There are 7 emergency exits from this auditorium. There are 2 in each of the glass walls to the side, 1 to the left and the right of the stage, and 1 at the back where you came in earlier on. Could I ask you to please switch off all mobile phones before we start? Thank you. The formal proceedings today begin with the academic procession. I now invite you to please stand for the academic procession. Please be seated. I will begin by introducing the members of the conferring panel to you. To my right is Mr. Tony Brazel, Chairperson of the governing body of Limerick Institute of Technology. In the centre is Professor Vincent Kane, President of Limerick Institute of Technology. And finally, Maria Kane, Dean of Faculty of Applied Science, Engineering and Technology, and Director of Apprenticeship Development. I now call on Mr. Tony Brazel, Chairperson of the governing body, to address you.
Good afternoon, everyone. President, Vice President, distinguished guests, colleagues, ladies, gentlemen, and graduates. This is a red letter day for all of you, a day I hope you will always remember, and it's a great day for us. Great satisfaction in seeing so many people graduate into a new life and new careers. As this is my first opportunity to address you as graduates, families and staff, I have to explain to you the great pleasure I get in being able to stand here and do this function. This is a great institution. This is an institution with a lot of road ahead of it and a very exciting future. LIT is one of the region's powerhouses. Our history goes back a long way, right to the Limerick Athenaeum in the 1850s, eventually leading to the RTCs, the Regional Technical Colleges, in the 1990s, and then onwards as an Institute of Technology in the 2000 period. And as you may have seen or heard in the media, now we are preparing to become a technological university. So our history is unfolding. Time doesn't stand still, but we will be continuing this tradition, but in a new guise. That's in the near future. And while the institution you graduate from today will become a university, that will allow us to preserve and develop the quality of what we do and what we stand for, the support and community that you all know. Your experience is the heart of what we do, and it is what we will always do. Our new designation will allow us to do much more and bring the benefits you have experienced to more students, their families, and their communities. We will continue our commitment to our students just as we have always done. After all, our sector has always been the one to provide most access to higher education, and that is what government policy now provides us with the direction we pursue. And again, that's something we can be very proud of. We're a very inclusive institution. We have always endeavoured to make ourselves available to everyone in the community and to help all of our students, be they high achievers or low achievers, to achieve their fulfilment in life. We have in LIT marshalled our resources well, and the changes we are now embarking upon will allow us to keep going on a sustainable basis into the future. Many of these changes will in fact be completed by the time first-year students this year get to their graduation. Maybe it does not seem that long since you were here in the first year yourselves. As a new technological university, we will accelerate our research and provide even greater opportunity for postgraduate work. Our future plans for a new campus in Coona will allow us to accommodate up to 800 students in an engineering centre of excellence that merges best practice in industry with our education, and we would hope to have the students in there September next year. We will play a vital role in increasing the number of apprenticeships, a very important area, a vital requirement in the plan for rebuilding Ireland. Our future plans for the development of a science and information communications and technology building are going to planning shortly. And this will provide a state-of-the-art space for both our students and staff. This year we've opened a new campus in Ennis, and with our presence in Thurles, Clonmel, as well as in Clare Street in Limerick City, this makes us a truly regional institution working for the needs of our students, employers, employees across Limerick, Tipperary and Clare. I'm very proud of the work of our staff in bringing us to the cusp of a technological university status. That same ethic will underpin the success of LIT in its future guise. So we've come today to the landmark day of graduation, and it's a day of great pride for all of us. You now have the qualifications to begin your chosen career. Your qualification has been hard-earned and is a passport to your future. As one part of your education comes to an end, remember that you will always be learning, whether by further study or by on-the-job experience. To the families and parents, you can be very proud of your graduates as they sit here before you in their gowns, which marks the significance of their passing on from this stage in life. So to the graduates I say, enjoy this day. The world is your oyster, and you will be the backbone of our future economy. We wish you every success. Always remember LIT, whether you're an employer or an employee, this institution always needs help. And in your new role as employees and possibly owners and managers, you can maybe consider being of assistance to us. And now we wish you every success in your future endeavours. Thank you.
I now call on Ms. Maria Kane, Dean of the Faculty of Applied Science, Engineering and Technology, and Director of Apprenticeship Development, to address you.
Good afternoon, everybody. You are welcome to this graduation ceremony for the Department of the Built Environment and the Department of Mechanical and Automobile Engineering. The graduation ceremony today recognises your achievement in attaining a level of education reflected in the awards that you will be presented with this afternoon. I offer you all my heartiest congratulations. Today is a recognition of your achievements, what you have worked for, and you have earned the right to be here. The departments of the Built Environment and Mechanical and Automobile Engineering form two of the 5 departments within the Faculty of Applied Science, Engineering and Technology. The faculty is one of the largest centres of education in the STEM disciplines in Ireland and has over 2,000 full-time students, over 600 students on evening continuing education programmes, and also delivers programmes to over 500 apprentices. I would like to thank the heads of department, Dr. Pat Gill and Dr. Philip Ryan, for their support to the faculty, to the departments, to the students and the staff. Some faculty highlights from the last 12 months would include that the HA has allocated over 1.25 million in capital funding to the faculty for the purchase and installation of equipment in support of apprenticeship provision. The allocated funding will enhance the educational experience of our apprentices and our full-time students and will allow significant upgrade of our workshops and laboratories. A successful accreditation visit by Engineers Ireland in October led to the achievement of accreditation of 15 electrical and electronic engineering programmes. Our Industrial Electrical Engineering Apprenticeship was the first generation apprenticeship, or new apprenticeship, in Ireland to be awarded Engineers Ireland accreditation. Also during the year, a successful partnership meeting was held with the Society for Chartered Surveyors Ireland for our quantity surveying and property programmes. Programme portfolio review of the faculty's programmes highlighted that there were 2 groups of programmes that would identify more coherently with programmes offered in other LIT departments. Creative broadcast and music programmes transferred to the Department of Design, and the business IT programmes are transferring on a phased basis to the Department of Business and Finance. A postgraduate mentoring initiative was implemented this year to support faculty research supervisors and postgraduate students on master's and PhD programmes. And I would like to take the opportunity to congratulate Elaine Heelan from our LIT staff, who is graduating with a master's degree today. Faculty staff have established close links with the Precision Turned Parts Manufacturing Association, who are our partners in the development and delivery of precision engineering programmes. A very successful manufacturing solutions event was organised in LIT in partnership with the PTMA and the UK-based GTMA on the 12th of June, where over 100 Irish and UK exhibitors displayed their products to over 600 visitors. The Department of IT, ICT and Education Conference was organised on the Thurles campus in May, and staff from the department were actively involved in the ITLG Young Innovators Conference in November. The Shannon International Leasing Conference, SILC, was held in Moylish in November and will be held again in Limerick this year. The faculty have been at the forefront of new programme development and reinvigorating existing programmes to meet the needs of industry in our region. We actively participate on the Midwest Regional Skills Forum and collaborate with the Regional Skills Forum Manager to identify and respond to current and future industry needs. We have created an Industrial Skills Academy, which is a collaboration between the Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering here in LIT, Limerick for Engineering, and Irish Manufacturing Research EU Innovation Hub for Industry 4.0, which is designed to target specific skills needs. We have a long tradition of providing craft-based apprenticeship programmes in the faculty. The Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering are offering 2 new apprenticeship programmes, Industrial Electrical Engineering and Manufacturing Engineering, and have recently validated the Manufacturing Data Integration Engineering Apprenticeship. 3 other apprenticeship programmes have been approved by the Apprenticeship Council to develop new apprenticeships in Advanced Quantity Surveyor, Precision Machining and Quality Control, and Aircraft Leasing Practitioner. The development of new programmes has led to the validation of the following new awards. 2 Level 8 ab initio BScs in data analytics and cybersecurity and interior design. 2 Level 8 ab initio BEng programmes in precision engineering and process and engineering management. A Level 7 BSc in aircraft maintenance engineering, which was designed and will be delivered in close collaboration with industry. 2 Special Purpose Awards in Quality and with Statistics and Regulatory Affairs and Quality. Funding was secured by the Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering for the design and delivery of a master's programme in digitalisation of manufacturing for the Irish MedTech SkillNet and engineering sectors. The faculty continues to work with our industry partners to promote our programmes to potential students. A successful Limerick for Engineering and Limerick for IT showcase was held in March to inform them of the employment and career prospects in the world of STEM. An Inspire Women for Engineering event was held in February, where 3 women engineers addressed students from all girls' secondary schools on their careers and the need to have more female participation. A successful Science Week was held in November and SciFest in April, where students from primary and second level schools visited LIT and were given presentations on science topics of interest. A successful Engineers Week and Construction Day was held in December. Over 500 fifth-year Leaving Cert engineering students visited LIT to experience engineering firsthand. We also have a Career Guidance Counsellor afternoon during that week, where we explain the different strands of engineering to the Career Guidance teachers. In addition to the LIT Open Days in October, we held an engineering-specific Open Day in January and an Engineering Taster Days in May. A very successful Games FLA was held in March on our Thurles campus. Over 800,000 Springboard funding was achieved by the faculty to support students on the Higher Diploma in Software Development and Special Purpose Awards in the Engineering, Built Environment and Science disciplines, such as our Smart Factory Technician programme. Faculty staff continuing to engage with the campus master planners to provide advice on the design of the Coona campus for our engineering programmes and the Science and Information Technology building on the Moylish campus. Michelle McKeown-Bennett, previous head of Department of Applied Science, has moved to Athlone Institute of Technology as head of school. Dr. Janice O'Connell became Midwest Technology Ambassador in 2018, and Mr. Paul Vesey was Head of Department of IT in her absence. I would like to thank them for their dedication to the faculty and wish them every success in their new roles. 3 staff members retired this year: Con Lucy, Joe Dunk, Pádraig Moran and Angela Toomey. I would like to acknowledge their years of service to Limerick Institute of Technology, and I would like to wish them a happy retirement. Margaret Ryan, our faculty administrator, will retire in the next few weeks. I would like to thank her for her professionalism and guidance for both staff and students from these departments over many years, and wish her very well in her retirement. And Margaret has organised many of these conferring events over the years. Our faculty has exceptionally strong links with the construction, engineering, science and IT industries through the Limerick for Engineering and Limerick for IT initiatives, through student work placement, through providing bespoke programmes for individual industries, through research partnerships, through its graduates and the work experience of many of its staff. These links keep us informed about the requirements of new and well-established industries, so that the skills and knowledge we impart in our programmes are truly relevant. We appreciate the recognition given to this award ceremony by our industry partners through their presence here today and their ongoing and very valued support for our programmes. Today's graduates have the knowledge, skills and competencies to contribute actively to these industries. On behalf of the staff, I would like to congratulate all of the graduates being conferred here today. You are graduating with qualifications which are highly regarded by industry, both here and abroad. These qualifications, which are accredited by the major industry professional bodies and hence have considerable value added to them, will enable you to work throughout the world. Accreditation of our programmes by professional bodies is highly valued by the departments, our staff and graduates. I wish to acknowledge the assistance that professional bodies have given in programme accreditation and development through the provision of expert advice and external examiners over many years. Graduates, we have strived to prepare you to be capable and confident people who are proficient in your chosen disciplines. We expect that we will have given you the ability to plan your career and to appreciate the value and need for further education and professional development. Not least, I wish to acknowledge the contribution of the academic, technical, administration and support staff of both departments, and their presence here today is an indication of their commitment, enthusiasm and dedication to their students. The staff work with and for our students, and that makes all the difference to your learning experience here in LIT. I wish to congratulate them for their contribution in producing such good graduates, and I join them in saluting your achievement and in wishing you fulfilment in your working and professional lives. Thank you.
I now call on the President, Professor Vincent Kane, to formally confer the LIT Awards on the graduates.
Ar Cionni Institute, Bronam Dakna Tani, Ar Lamori, the Institute, Ata Taresh, and Carlin Shin, a Wanshamak. Auxilium go Corford the Holdamori Shin, and Malahar, Conavera Horvers Div go Formul. On behalf of the Institute, I hereby confer awards on the learners of the Institute who have achieved the standard for those awards, and I ask that those learners be presented to me so that I may formally present them with their parchment.
I now request the President, Professor Vincent Canaan, to present the parchments and invite the Head of Department of the Built Environment, Dr. Pat Gill, to announce the graduates.
President, I present to you the following candidates who have successfully completed courses in the Faculty of Applied Science, Engineering and Technology, Department of the Built Environment, and are worthy of the award of Higher Certificate in Science in Construction, and I request you to present their parchments to them. Shane Carroll in absentia. David O'Sullivan in absentia. Niall O'Toole in absentia. President, I present to you the following candidates who have successfully completed courses in the Faculty of Applied Science, Engineering and Technology, Department of the Built Environment, and are worthy of the award of Higher Certificate in Science in Construction Practice, and I request you to present their parchments to them. Adam Byrne in absentia. Kyle Edwards. Ciarán O'Shea in absentia. President, I present to you the following candidate who has successfully completed a course in the Faculty of Applied Science, Engineering and Technology, Department of the Built Environment, and is worthy of the award of Bachelor of Science in Construction in Health and Safety, and I request you to present her parchment to her. Karen Cotter. President, I present to you the following candidates who have successfully completed courses in the Faculty of Applied Science, Engineering and Technology, Department of the Built Environment, and are worthy of the award of Bachelor of Arts in Interior Design and Technology, and I request you to present their parchments to them. Joshua Acton. Sarah Daly. Sandra Olsvenska. Claire Ann Ryan. President, I present to you the following candidates who have successfully completed courses in the Faculty of Applied Science, Engineering and Technology, Department of the Built Environment, and are worthy of the award of Bachelor of Engineering in Civil Engineering, and I request you to present their parchments to them. Wayne Buckley in absentia. Cormac Canole in absentia. Jack Cook in absentia. Carl English. Richard Hayes. Brian O'Leary in absentia. Marinelle Cornell Papa. Diarmuid Portley in absentia. Owen Ryan. Guanchan Song in absentia. Yehi Sun in absentia. Zunzi in absentia. President, I present to you the following candidates who have successfully completed courses in the Faculty of Applied Science, Engineering and Technology, Department of the Built Environment, and are worthy of the award of Bachelor of Science Honours in Civil Engineering Management, and I request you to present their parchments to them. Michael Byrne in absentia. Chen Chen in absentia. Stephen Considine. Lee Costello, Anthony Gilmartin, John Hennessy in absentia, Sean Kiley, Yuan Chen Lo, Dylan McCarthy, Cian McNamara, Alan Molan, Michael O'Connor, Timmy O'Connor, Eamon O'Halloran, Cian O'Shea, Zulong Kui in absentia, Derek Richardson, Christopher Sibanda, Kailun Su in absentia, Zhenhan Wu in absentia, Jihuan Zhang in absentia. President, I present to you the following candidate who has successfully completed courses in the Faculty of Applied Science, Engineering and Technology, Department of the Built Environment, and is worthy of the award of Bachelor of Science in Sustainable Building and Renewable Energy, and I request you to present his parchment to him. Rory McNamara, President, I present to you the following candidates who have successfully completed courses in the Faculty of Applied Science, Engineering and Technology, Department of the Built Environment, and are worthy of the award of Bachelor of Science Honours in Property Valuation and Management, and I request you to present their parchments to them. Darren Benson, in absentia. Darren Kelly, Laura McCarthy in absentia, Keith O'Brien in absentia, Michael Walsh, President, I present to you the following candidates who have successfully completed courses in the Faculty of Applied Science, Engineering and Technology, Department of the Built Environment, and are worthy of the award of Bachelor of Science Honours in Construction Management, and I request you to present their parchments to them. Thomas Barry, Kieran Cooney, Sean Crean, Adam Curtin, Gavin Higgins, Patrick Humphreys, Anna King, Ross Bann, Jack O'Connor, Neil Quinn, Sean Ryan, President, I present to you the following candidates who have successfully completed courses in the Faculty of Applied Science, Engineering and Technology, Department of the Built Environment, and are worthy of the award of Bachelor of Science Honours in Quantity Surveying, and I request you to present their parchments to them. Julie Bong in absentia. Keith Brown. Tom Downs. Patrick Goulding. Kevin Healy. Craig Hickey. Angjin San. Bernard Kennedy. Joshua Lennon. Hui N.E.G. Lee. Woe Keong Lim. Chin Rao Lin. Daniel McMahon. Patrick Minahan. Timothy Murphy. James O'Riordan. Kelvin Vui Zheng Pang. Aidan Ryan. Noel Ryan. Nicole Sui Lin Tan. Tong Long Yan. President, I present to you the following candidates who have successfully completed courses in the Faculty of Applied Science, Engineering and Technology, Department of the Built Environment, and are worthy of the award of Master of Science in Quantity Surveying, and I request you to present their parchments to them. Thomas Comerford in absentia. Ross Cullinan in absentia. Peter Hennessy in absentia. Patrick Sheehy.
I request the President, Professor Vincent Canaan, to present the parchments and invite the Head of Department of Mechanical and Automobile Engineering, Dr. Philip Ryan, to announce the graduates.
Good afternoon, everybody. President, I present to you the following candidates who have successfully completed courses in the Faculty of Applied Science, Engineering and Technology, Department of Mechanical and Automobile Engineering, and are worthy of the award of Bachelor of Engineering in Agricultural Engineering. And I request you to present their parchments to them. Daniel Boyle. Conor Burke. Jack Cotter. Sean Cronin. Padraig Early. John Hennessy. Ronan Lina. Sean Sampson. Lawrence Shanahan. Sean Tehan. It's in abstentia. And we have Padraig Walsh in abstentia also. Graham Wilkinson. President, I present to you the following candidates who have successfully completed courses in the Faculty of Applied Science, Engineering and Technology, Department of Mechanical and Automobile Engineering, and are worthy of the award of Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering, and I request you to present their parchments to them. Keith Baggett is in abstentia. Divi Iman Clune-Harry. Peter Cleary. Luke Curtin. Jason Daly in abstentia, and Sean Daly in abstentia. Sean Dillon. Romeo Emini. Adrian English in abstentia, and Michael Fox. Jamie Hodge. Dara Kelly. Reese Lampadarios. Kieran Long in abstentia. Joseph Mahoney. Maeve McGlynn. Dara McNamara. Kelly Maloney. Thomas Neville. David O'Donnell. Shane Reddy. Paul Rice. James Ryan. Harnam Sahota. President, I present to you the following candidates who have successfully completed courses in the Faculty of Applied Science, Engineering and Technology, Department of Mechanical and Automobile Engineering, and are worthy of the award of Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Mechanical Engineering Facilities, and I request you to present their parchments to them. James Breen. Greg Collins. Jamie Cudahy. Adon Graney. Radosla Korzinoga in abstentia. Bill Lyons. Simon Lysett. Michael Maloney. Francis Maloney. Noel Maloney in absentia, Brian Nash. Gordon O'Donovan. Gavin O'Leary. President, I present to you the following candidates who have successfully completed courses in the Faculty of Applied Science, Engineering and Technology, Department of Mechanical and Automobile Engineering, and are worthy of the award of Bachelor of Engineering in Road Transport Technology and Management. And I request you to present their parchments to them. Arthurs Agapov is in absentia. Phelim Cody. Sean Cropper. Gary Enright. PJ Gallagher. David Glassett. Sean Gearan in absentia. Sean Hopkins. Sean Kavanagh in absentia. Evan McMahon. Colm Trill. And Dennis Toohey. President, I present to you the following candidates who have successfully completed courses in the Faculty of Applied Science, Engineering and Technology, Department of Mechanical and Automobile Engineering, and are worthy of the award of Bachelor of Science Honours in Process and Engineering Management. And I request you to present their parchments to them. Matthew Duggan. Joseph Griffin. Franz Limliner, who's in absentia, and Paul Mosey. Barry Morton. Ronan O'Shea. Garrod Rice. Dean Sarsfield. President, I present to you the following candidates who have successfully completed courses in the Faculty of Applied Science, Engineering and Technology, Department of Mechanical and Automobile Engineering, and are worthy of the award of Bachelor of Engineering in Precision Engineering. And I request you to present their parchments to them. Abdul Karim Adahi. Rafael Chess. Philip Coonahan. David Donnellan in absentia. Daniel Gahagan. Jason Grace. Maeve Guilfoyle. Kieran Kelleher. Jerry Long. Luke Malone. James McElroy. And Kieran Quinn. President, I present to you the following candidate who has successfully completed courses in the Faculty of Applied Science, Engineering and Technology, Department of Mechanical and Automobile Engineering, and is worthy of the award of Masters of Engineering by Research. And I request you to present her parchment to her, and her name is Elaine Heelan.
We come now to the special awards ceremony for outstanding achievement, and I invite the chairperson of the governing body and the president to present these awards. So the first of our special awards today is the Punch Consulting Engineers Award, presented by Aidan O'Connell of Punch Consulting. And Aidan isn't with us, so it'll be presented by the President and the Chairperson of the governing body. The Punch Consulting Engineers Award is for excellence on the Bachelor of Engineering in Civil Engineering. And the award goes to Marinelle Cornell Popa. Our next award is the Chartered Institute of Building CIOB Award, presented by Michael Gallagher of CIOB. The Chartered Institute of Building CIOB Award is for excellence on the Bachelor of Science honours in Civil Engineering Management. And the award goes to Alan Milan. Our next award is the Society of Chartered Surveyors Ireland Award, presented by James Lonergan and Carlo O'Hanlon of the Society of Chartered Surveyors Ireland. The Society of Chartered Surveyors Ireland Award is for excellence on the Bachelor of Science honours in Property Valuation and Management. And the award goes to Micheál Walsh. Our next award is the Construction Industry Federation Award, presented by Lorcan Hine of the Construction Industry Federation. The Construction Industry Federation Award is for excellence on the Bachelor of Science honours in construction management. And the award goes to Adam Curtin. Our next award is the Rogerson, Redden and Associates Award, presented by Kieran Clohessy of Rogerson, Redden. The Rogerson, Redden and Associates Award is for excellence on the Masters of Science in Quantity Surveying. And the award goes to Patrick Sheehy. The next award is the Walls to Workstations Award, presented by David Barry of Walls to Workstations. The Walls to Workstations Award is for excellence on the Bachelor of Arts in Interior Design and Technology. And the award goes to Claire Ann Ryan. So that was the last of our construction industry awards. We now switch to the Mechanical and Automobile Engineering Awards. And the first award is the Farm Tractor and Machinery Trade Association Award, presented by the President and the Chairperson of the governing body. The Farm Tractor and Machinery Trade Association Award is for excellence on the Bachelor of Engineering in Agricultural Engineering. And the award goes to Ronan Lina. Our next award is the Costello Award, presented by Coleman Byrne of Costello. The Costello Award is for excellence on the Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering. And the award goes to David O'Donnell. The next award is the MTech Award, presented by the President and the Chairperson of the governing body. The MTech Award is for excellence on the Bachelor of Engineering honours in Mechanical Engineering Facilities. And the award goes to Francis Maloney. Our next award is the STL Logistics Award, presented by the President and the Chairperson. The STL Logistics Award is for excellence on the Bachelor of Engineering in Road Transport Technology and Management. And the STL Logistics Award goes to PJ Gallagher. Our next award is the Precision Turned Parts Manufacturing Association Award, sponsored by Stryker. And this award will be presented by Tom Collins of Stryker. The Precision Turned Parts Manufacturing Association Award is for excellence on the Bachelor of Engineering in Precision Engineering Management. And the award goes to Philip Coonahan. Our final award today is the Molex Award, presented by Michael Collins of Molex. The Molex Award is for excellence in the dissertation on the Bachelor of Science honours in Process and Engineering Management. And the Molex Award goes to Ronan O'Shea. So we'll now have a very brief musical interlude. I now call on the President of Limerick Institute of Technology, Professor Vincent Kane, to address you.
Just when you thought it was all over. The Carja, to Ahasan Doan Armve Shahanu, August Bawaitla McCaid Mila Falcha, a Curriv Galair. Friends, you're very welcome to this graduation ceremony. And I'd like to extend a special welcome to our new chair, on his first graduation ceremonies, Tony Brazel. Congratulations, and I really look forward to working with you over the coming years, Tony. The best of luck in your new role. But today, we are delighted to recognise you down here, our newest graduates, because this is a very special day for you. It's a special day for your families, and indeed it's a special day for LIT, because these are the days that reveal to us the value of the work that everyone here has put in over a period of years. You, the graduates, your families, and the staff of LIT. Because this is the one time when we get to come together as a community to recognise our own for the commitment, the ability, and indeed the perseverance you have shown in getting to this stage. So to the parents, the guardians, the spouses, and the families of the graduates, I also say heartiest congratulations. You too are part of our community. I'm sure, though, there were times when you didn't think this day would ever arrive. But it has, and it's all the sweeter for that. And even though we might ask now the graduates to stand up, turn to those families who have supported them, and maybe give them families a well-deserved round of applause. So why don't you stand up and applaud your families? I think that round of applause and your first paycheck will make up for some of the deficits. And on your behalf, graduates, I may also extend our many thanks to the staff of LIT, who have, through their efforts, brought you graduates to this point. So on your behalf, to the staff, congratulations as well. So to say, each and every one of you here is part of our community. This campus, like each of our campuses, is a community, and it provides an environment where people are valued. People count here in LIT. Graduates, we valued you as students, and we will value you as alumni. Your lecturers are part of this community, and they value you. Your peers in the community value you. Your families are part of the extended community, and they value you. And now you have an invaluable, internationally recognized qualification that nobody can ever take away from you. You earned it, and with it you cross a threshold into another phase of life, one where I hope that the values of this community will benefit you, as well as the education that you have received. I hope that as your journey outside of LIT unfolds, the experience you have had here will stand you in good stead. Because college isn't only about your theoretical and practical learning. It's about relationships and identity, and about having the time and space to develop. And that is what this day is about. It's about marking a rite of passage, about recognizing change and moving on to a new phase of life. But we still want you to stay connected to us. That is why earlier this month we held our inaugural President's Alumni Ball, specifically to recognize our alumni's achievements. And I hope to see many of you sitting in the front rows here at those alumni balls in the future. At that ball we had alumni who had graduated in classes going right back to the 1970s. But of course, this institution is much older than that. In fact, our heritage stretches right back to 1852 and the foundation of the School of Ornamental Arts and the subsequent formation of the Limerick Athenaeum in 1856, dedicated to artistic and technical education, just as we are today. Now, it only took us about 163 years to get an inaugural alumni ball together, but we're going to do it again next year. And in between being the Limerick Athenaeum and the Limerick Institute of Technology, this institution manifested itself as a municipal technical institute, of course known to everyone in Limerick as the Red Tech, run by the VEC, and eventually that became the College of Arts, Commerce and Technology, or COACT. Then Limerick Regional Technical College, and now LIT, the institute that you graduate from today. And the people educated in each of these manifestations have contributed hugely to the commercial, the community, the industrial, the political, the sporting and artistic life of this region and beyond. They were able to do so because the education they received was always practical, always relevant, always a response to the societal needs of the time. And this is, of course, the nature of the education you have received. And this is the heritage that gives us the values and community spirit that you are now part of. That heritage is also very much about our institution changing and evolving as society changes and society evolves, always reflecting the needs of our students, our region, its communities, its businesses, and its industries. As our chair said at the outset of this ceremony, LIT, like you, is now on the cusp of another new beginning. Our next manifestation will be as a technological university. A few weeks ago, LIT and Athlone Institute of Technology committed to come together to form a consortium to work towards the formation of a technological university. Indeed, you are the first class to graduate since we made this decision to move on to this next phase. But you're not the last. And just as you come from a long and distinctive heritage and join a distinguished community of alumni, so those who will come after you will draw on this same heritage and the same values that you have experienced. In fact, as a technological university, I believe that we can bring our values and our approach to even more people so that the benefit of what we do can be felt as widely as possible in the society of the future. Our history is one of inclusion, of providing access to higher education to all those who would benefit from it. That is what the Limerick Athenaeum was about. That is what the Red Tech was about, the COACT and Limerick RTC. That is what LIT is about today. And that is what our technological university will be about. The government has given us funding to start work on our new evolution because they recognise what we do and they want us to keep doing it in a sustainable way into the future. Our institution's ability to play that role is what enabled you to achieve what you have. By becoming a technological university, we will continue this work. And I want to emphasize again what our chair has said at the outset. This allows us to preserve and develop the quality of what we do, to keep providing the support and be in the community that you all know, to keep standing for what we stand for. And your experience is the heart of what we do and what we will always do. And to illustrate this, I want to share with you something of the experience of one of the graduating class who graduated earlier today, our student of the year, Danny Nash. Danny graduates with a Level 8 Bachelor of Engineering degree, electronic engineering, having obtained the highest grades from LIT across all disciplines and all campuses this year, the #1 student in LIT. And we recognize Danny not just for the results, which are exceptional, but also for his journey, which articulates our values and mirrors what we have always and will always stand for. A native of Brosnan and Kerry, Danny first came to LIT in 2003 with an interest in electronics. But, and he doesn't mind me saying this, he did not have the greatest leaving cert ever. Indeed, it was at the lower end of things. But Danny found his feet here in LIT. And with hard work, the support of our staff and community, and some steely determination, Danny graduated with a Level 7 in electronic engineering and began work in analog devices in Limerick as a technician. 3 years ago, Danny decided he wanted to be an analog devices engineer, and the only route to that was to get a Level 8 degree in electronic engineering, which he received today. And so industry in the form of analogue devices and LIT, we worked together once again, this time to ensure that Danny accessed the education he required. Analogue sponsored Danny and returned to LIT to begin work on his Level 8. Even with the support of LIT and his employer, this was by no means an easy feat. He continued his shift work night and day and attended LIT without fail. And over the last number of years, he completed his Level 8 in electronic engineering. Now, it's a long journey from Brosna and Kerry to Limerick here. But the journey from his Leaving Cert results to being Student of the Year is a long and a hard one. Testament to Danny and testament to the approach and the values that we have here in LIT. Because it's not as if Danny suddenly acquired his potential somewhere along the road between Brosna and Limerick. That talent was always in him. He just needed the opportunity and the right environment to express it and to realize his potential. LIT's approach gave him that opportunity and helped empower him. And I'm delighted to recognize Danny. And as I said earlier, people count here. And that is what leads to people realizing their potential. People like you, people like Danny, you all count here in LIT. Because as we say, we do not judge you on how you arrive into LIT, but we have judged you today as you cross this threshold from student to alumnus. This approach has not changed through all the changes of our history. It cannot and will not change, irrespective of how many changes we undergo in the future. Because it works. It works for our students and for our region. 94% of the people who were sitting in those seats last year were employed or in further study after graduation. 94%. 2/3 of them were earning over €26,000 a year in their first job. And about 3/4 of all last year's graduating class are working in the Mid-West region. Not in Dublin, not in London, not in New York, and not in Canberra. So the value of the education you have received is well recognized and benefits not only you, but the communities you live in and the society and the economy here. It's a virtuous cycle. So the future is bright, both for the class of 2019 and for this institution currently known as LIT. It is built on hard-earned and deeply held values. So to finish, everyone in LIT wishes you, the graduates, all the very best in the years ahead. You are and will remain part of this community, and I hope to see you at that alumni ball, on the podium receiving an award, or on the dance floor getting things done. So, Caharjas O'Cree, Liv Golair. Congratulations from the heart to you all. And I hope you've had the time of your lives. Guralmina Magov Golair.
So we're coming to the end now. I'd like to compliment you and thank you for participating in this conferring ceremony today. Perhaps a reminder that the official photographers are located outside on the main concourse. When we finish now, the graduates and their guests are invited to join us for some light refreshments in the green rooms, which is the next building down here to your left. I now declare this conferring ceremony closed. Please stand for the academic procession, and this time we invite the graduates to join the procession.